I just checked into the Sheraton in Nha Trang, Vietnam, and let's take a little look at this room. I think it's pretty cool. Alright, starting off, just a normal little bathroom. Nothing too thrilling there. A little toilet. Then we got the little living room, or a little sofa area, and we got our little welcome snacks, a couple cookie cake things. Yummy. Got little waters, coffee, blah blah blah. Little work desk. Here's a little balcony area. Can we go out here? How do I get out? Can I get... Oh, it has to be this way. It has to be this way. Alright. Okay. Alright, so... take a little stroll over here to the bedroom. Got a bedroom with another balcony, same view, little chair. But the cool thing is we have this really weird bathroom situation. We got this pedestal in the middle with a sink. And then we have a little shower area, a toilet area, and a sink area. But this is just like a big open area, and right in the bathroom / bedroom. Oh, got a little closet. But I think this is really cool. It could be awkward though if you were not expecting this kind of open layout. But I do think it's pretty cool. Then we just have a second balcony over here. We have the one tiny little balcony over here with a nice beach view of the ocean. And then our little view right there. This Sheraton is in Nha Trang, Vietnam, and it has 280 rooms, a very nice infinity pool, and a really great rooftop bar where you can relax, have a few drinks in the evening. Nha Trang is a beach resort town in southern Vietnam, and it's just opening back up to tourism, so there aren't too many tourists just yet. The hotel's in a really good location on the northern end of the beachfront, and it's just across the street from the beach. The beach is clean with not too many people out. It is busier in the morning and the afternoon when it cools down and the sun isn't beating down on you in the midday. Has a big spacious lobby, friendly staff, and there's a cafe located right next to the lobby. Then the restaurant where breakfast is served upstairs. There's also a little play area for the kids and some seats where you can relax. I was upgraded to a junior suite on the 19th floor for my gold status, and my room had these two nice little tiny balconies, and I always really liked the Sheraton beds. This room had an open bathroom setup where there was no divide between the bathtub and the bedroom. There was just an island with a sink in the mirror area. Had some frosted glass doors for the toilet and the shower area. I know not all junior suites have these open bathroom setups, but there is a private bathroom in the living area. The view of the beach and the city was very nice. And I really enjoyed the pool area, a very nice infinity pool. Some pools don't really live up to the photos on the website, but I think this pool lived up to the website just fine. During the afternoon, the sun kind of goes and it hides behind the higher floors of the hotel, giving you some shade when you swim. Sheraton is going to cost about $100 a night or 16,800 points right now. I really enjoyed my stay at the Sheraton Nha Trang, and it offered really nice, comfortable place to stay with a very nice pool, and I really liked the rooftop bar. It's in a good spot just across from the beach, at walking distance to some of the more popular bars and places along the beach. That's a quick little review of the Sheraton Nha Trang Hotel and Spa Hope you liked the video. If you did, I really appreciate a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to the channel if you haven't, alright? Have some links down below if you're interested in some credit cards. And I think that's all I got for you. I want you to go have a good day, alright? Justin out.